Before you begin this question, you should write down all your steps on the left-hand side. If you do not write down all your steps, you lose marks. Five steps, isn't there? Okay. Here we go. 2x squared minus 3x minus 6. 2 times x plus h squared. Now, I'm going to save myself space. I'm going to do x plus h by x plus h in here, just to save myself a bit of space. So it's going to be x squared plus 2hx plus h squared. 3 times x plus h, right? So what's that? Minus 3x minus 3h. And then minus 6. Now, bring it over, it's going to be 2x squared, 4hx plus 2h squared, minus 3x minus 3h minus 6. All of that is only the f of x plus h part. And now I got to take away this green part here. I'm going to take that away. And what's guaranteed every time? Anything that hasn't got a h in it, gone. That doesn't happen, you're in trouble. So I'm just going to get 4hx, 2h squared, yeah, minus 3h. We already know the answer is going to be 4x minus 3, don't we? Because when we differentiate it, normally we get 4x minus 3. These are the easiest 10 marks you're ever going to come across, aren't they? And what year is this again? 2014. Okay. And these pop up a lot. Now, we're going to divide everything by h, and what's left over then? Oh, yeah, I have to put the h in the bottom here, don't I? So it's going to be 4x plus minus, and as h goes to 0, and it's 4x minus 3. All good? First, when you give a function, there's two pieces of information that you can get from this function. The first derivative gives you the what? And the original formula can also tell you the point, can't it? The original formula could actually be written as, that could be written as y, couldn't it? And then the first derivative could be the y. Very important that you know that there's two pieces of information stored in here. The original formula tells you the x and y coordinates. The differentiated formula tells you the slope. Agreed? Now, find the coordinates of which the point of the slope of the curve is a quarter. What they're telling me is that the first derivative is actually a quarter. What type of rule are we going to use for this then? Not the chain. It's a quotient, isn't it? So that's u and b. U is du dx to b. B is x plus 2 and dv dx. We all good? Now we're going to do the quotient rule. It's in your, what page of your notes? Huh? Okay, and you're going to, I'm hoping this is feeling a bit repetitive for you at this stage. That's the hope. dv dx, sorry, du dx is 1. Okay, and what's the next part then? Sorry, I got that wrong, didn't I? Yeah, it's not 2x, it's just 2. And the other one? U times dv dx, anybody? 2x times all over x plus 2 squared. Okay, tidy that up a little bit. What's it? 2x plus 4 minus 2x, which is just 4 over. And that equals 4 multiplied by 4. And then I'm going to multiply x plus 2 by x plus 2. X squared plus 4x plus. Bring the 16 over the other side. Does it say point or points? Points, plural. Points, plural would mean 2 answers, not 1. Is that okay? So what do we get here? There are 2 answers. X equals 2 and x equals. And now we have to get the y values, don't we? What is it against x over? Yes, that was it. Yeah, that. Okay. And we just leave it like this. And I have to do that twice. So you're going to put in minus 6 for the first one and 2 for the second one. I think I'm going to get a y value of 1, 2, 1. And the other one, when it's minus 6, is going to be 3. Is that the end of that?